Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will talk about anchor tags. If you are a tech professional wondering how to create and use automatic anchor tags or custom anchor tags in DocuSign to get signatures on your business related documents, this video will help you understand everything you need to know about anchor tags and their uses in DocuSign. Let me tell you about the client's requirements. The client wanted us to send the contacts saved under the files to DocuSign without choosing any template or adding in any merged tags before sending. Now, let me give you a brief overview of anchor tag. An anchor tag is a feature that allows text to be used as documents as a placeholder to sign initial names and other tags. Anchor-based tagging in DocuSign will enable you to sign documents for signature that do not have a fixed layout or format. When creating or editing a document, type the automatic anchor text in the appropriate location in the document. Let me now show you the demo on creating anchor tags and then placing them on DocuMotion forms to be used as contracts. First, prepare the template that you want to use. Now open the DocuSign and add your template under the file section and click on the Send with DocuSign button to send this template for signature. You need to add a recipient every time while sending a template and then click on the Send Now button. By this method, you will be able to send your document to the recipient for signature. DocuSign will give you an option to review the document there. You can see a sign tag beside the signature in your document. Add the name, title and country name. Finally, the document has been signed and you need to click on the Finish button to complete the process. Now moving to the anchor tags, you can return the value to Salesforce for any specific record using anchor tags in DocuSign. And whenever any contract needs to be submitted before signature, there is no need to select a template from DocuSign or manually add any field. It can be done quickly with the help of the anchor tag feature of DocuSign. If you too are looking for the best cloud-based services to implement CRM software in your organization or integrate your CRM with the third-party apps, get in touch with the Cloud Analogy team of experts who can help you realize the true potential of a business and automate your CRM operations for the best result. Contact us now.